Okay, what are we doing again? Say it to the cameraman.
We're having a man versus animal fight.
No, it's not man versus animal. It's man versus nature.
Man versus nature.
Yep. We're going to be out here for 5 days in the mystical fields of Africa, Woody?
Yeah.
Okay, yep. Look at them. I think it's more that way, where there's no civilization.
There's no civilization over here.
Okay, so where should we start? It's almost night, so where should we start?
Jewy boy! Jewy boy!
What was that?
Trying to call for shrimp.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Jewy boy! Jewy boy! Shrimpo, honey.
Well, no, we're not doing that. That would be copycat. We can't copy that from another TV show. So.
Why?
Because that's copying. That's against the law, Woody. Hey, here's this monkey thing that's down here.
Hello.
Oh, hi.
See ya.
Ah! Oh, there he went. Okay, Woody, let's go. So we should probably gather some sticks for our shelter.
Ooh, that's a good place right in there.
Right in there?
Yeah.
Okay, Woody, get in there. I'll gather some sticks. I'm gonna make me a spear.
Okay.
Woody!
Yeah?
You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna give me. Where's a good stick? Where's a good, nice, long stick? That's it. What the heck? Hey! What kind of fruit is that? What the? What was that? Whoa, hey! God. Hey! God! God! Oh crap! He's got. Bam! Oh! I got him. Oh! Oh! Whoa, whoa! He almost ran me over with that thing. Yeah! Whoa! Oh gosh. Man, he almost got me there. Let's see what could be a good spear. It's getting really dark. We should probably gather just some wood. Oh yeah, let's just gather some wood. Oh, is that firewood? Okay, take it back to camp. Oh yeah, he's got way bigger arms. Oh, look over here. Hold on. Man. Let's see. Oh, we got some wood in there. Oh, we got some nice sticks over here. Oh. Ah, here's a good one. That'll be good for a spear. Look at that thing. I got me a spear. Woody, pick him up and let's go back to camp. We need to go back to camp. This is my spear.
This is mine.
Oh
this
my
is
God.
my pet. Got my pet butt.
Why did he just say butt?
Ass.
Oh gosh. Okay, get in. Get in there. Set this right here. Okay. Hold on. Set that right there. It's a beautiful sunrise. Looks like cotton candy. It looks like really dark. Here, tilt that camera. Okay, it's really dark, but it's really dark. Okay, cameraman, let's go inside. I see that monkey in there. Oh, look at these markings. It's like something's already been in this cave. getting in here. Getting down and dirty. Oh man, the cameraman's got to crawl in here, so. Yep. Okay, cameraman, you can get in here now. I'll stay and watch. Man, I gotta get my camera in here. I don't want it to get dirty. Oh boy. I definitely don't want it to get dirty. Shut up, cameraman. Sorry. Okay, cameraman. Woody, I claim this is my bed.
Ass.
Stop saying that. Ow! I got a spear this time. Ah! No, it's mine. It's mine. Give me it. It's mine. Ah! Give me it. My spear. Okay, so, ow! Woody! What was that for?
He's knocked out.
Crap. Dang it, Woody. Woody, get him on his bed. Dang it, why do you have to? Don't worry, hold on. Do you want to stand guard? Oh crap, I think I just hit his head. That just probably made it worse. Do you think I should stand guard or should you stand guard? Stop hitting his head! Obviously you want to hit some stuff, go outside. Get out. Go outside. Stand guard. Go outside. Ow, stop hitting Woody. Don't worry, Woody. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, Woody. Okay, this is what we got. I guess stuff for a fire. Monkey, are you going outside? No? Why not? Oh, you don't know? Oh. What is... what? What?
High five.
Oh. Yep. Yep. Oh! Woody, are you almost awake? Woody! What did you do that for? High five. Oh my gosh. Woody, are you okay? Oh gosh. Woody, stop hitting his head on that metal. Stop it. I don't want to give you a high five anymore. Ow! I'm gonna make my nest. I'm getting pretty dirty. I gotta make me a nest. Yes. Oh yes, just rolling it. Oh yeah, just really get in there. Ah crap, hold on, I gotta really get a lot of leaves and stuff. No, I can just... This is nice. I think I might... Nah, that's just too rough. Okay, Woody, are you awake yet? Oh, Woody, you're finally awake. That's great. Oh, gosh. Woody?
I'll stand guard.
Oh, you're gonna stand guard, so go outside. That's where you're gonna stand guard. See, the monkey has already found his sleeping place.
He is asleep. See?
Stupid monkey. Okay, Woody, I'm gonna be asleep. Whenever you want me to do my shift, just wake me up, okay?
Oh, wait.